In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to personalize your Microsoft Outlook calendar by adjusting the time zone settings and adding a custom label. This simple yet effective customization can help you keep track of multiple time zones with ease, especially if you're collaborating with teams across different regions or managing an international schedule. So let's get started and walk through this process step by step. First things first, you'll want to open your Microsoft Outlook application. If you haven't launched it already, take a moment to find it on your desktop or in your programs list and open it up. Once Outlook is up and running, direct your attention to the top left corner of the window. There, you'll see the File tab. Click on it. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options. What we are looking for here is the Options button, usually situated towards the bottom of this menu. Go ahead and click on Options. When you click on Options, a new window will appear. This is the Outlook Options window, and on the left-hand side, you'll notice a variety of categories, such as Mail, Calendar, and People. Our focus today is on Calendar, so please click on that. By clicking on the Calendar option, you will be presented with a new set of options dedicated specifically to your calendar settings. Now scroll down until you see the section labeled Time Zones. In this area, you will find options that allow you to manage how time zones are displayed on your calendar. This is where the customization magic happens. You'll notice a section labeled Label, which might currently be blank or displaying a default term. In this field, you can type in your desired label, something that will help you quickly identify the time zone you're looking at. It could be the name of a city, the initials for the time zone, or any keyword that makes it meaningful to you. Once you've typed in your custom label, double-check to ensure it accurately represents the time zone you're working with. This can be especially useful if you're dealing with multiple locations or communicating across diverse regions. After ensuring everything looks good, you'll want to finalize this change by clicking OK. This will save your new settings and apply the custom label to your calendar's time zone display. And that's it. You're done. This small adjustment can significantly enhance your productivity and ensure you're always on top of your schedule without the hassle of converting time zones in your head or using external references. Whether you're scheduling meetings across continents or simply like an organized calendar, customizing your Outlook time zones can make a world of difference. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel more equipped to handle your scheduling with confidence. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.